Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Java logic can be tricky, but we will solve this method together. Let's find out exactly when this specific code returns a value of 0. First, notice the method starts with num at 0. If the value is odd, the first if statement executes and adds 1 to num, making it impossible to return 0 here. Next, if the value is even and at least 25, the first else if block triggers. This adds 2 to our variable num, so the final result cannot be 0 either. Finally, if the value is even and small, the last else if adds 3. Every path changes num, so option E is the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given conditions and check steps every time.